Wife tore this off a couple months ago. It's a Chrysler 200. Not a car guy, but replacing a passenger side mirror doesn't look that hard, so I figured, hey, I'll give it a try. Getting access was pretty easy. I see I got 3 bolts here. This one down here in the right hand corner is a little bit of a pain to get to, but the other 2 are going to come off fine. Disconnect this right here. Not sure what this is. Took it off with a pair of vice grips. I loosened it up with the vice grips, but I was able to unscrew all the nuts with my fingers. Let's see how easy this thing comes off now. I ordered a replacement mirror for the Chrysler 2011. I was about $70 off of Amazon. Let's see here. I ordered it from JP Auto. Pretty straightforward looking to me. Looks like we got 3 connection points on the cover for the mirror. Let's see here. It's kind of hard to do with only one hand. Pretty straightforward. Alright, let me just tighten these up here. I'm going to go back over them with the vice grip. Let's see here. Alright, let me snap this back into place, or put this back on. Reconnect the electric. Alright. You should hear a little pop when you put this back in. Alright, let's check to see if it's working. Yep, there we go. Alright, now gotta put the cover back on. That was extremely easy.